Welcome back everyone. Today we're talking Musicality Core 2. In the previous video, for those that didn't watch it yet, go and check it out. We talked about the very basis of counting a song. Today we're gonna go a little bit deeper. So we talked about the 1 and the 2, right? Well, between the 1 and the 2, there might be something that links both of them. Wait, I even said it now. And in between the 1, 2, there is an end. I think you might have heard it before, people counting like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Or maybe you might have heard it before in music. For example, if you listen to house music, you hear that tss, tss, tss. That thing is always on the end. It goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. It goes. So this is the end. You know. So this is the end of the 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. The end is very important because with the end you can nourish the time between the 1 and 2. And especially in slower songs where the 1 looks to be here and the 2 looks to be like over here, all this space in between is to be taken into advantage. Of course, we can do like 1, 2 and like use the whole 1, 2 to go to the second beat if it's like very slow. But if we don't want to do only that, we can add stuff in between. We can add multiple ends. It's not only 1 and 2. It can be 1 and then 2, 3 and then 4, 5 and then 6, 7 and then 8, or even 1 and then 2, 3 and then 4, 5 and then 6, 7 and then 8. Yeah? We can add 3 like 1 pa 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 pa, ta 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 ta. If we're so good at this, we can even add 4, but bro, I'm telling you, this is hard. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Ba 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 ba. We can add the number we want, the number we can, because I'm telling you, this is not an easy job to add ends, to cut the timing between the 1 and 2 in multiple little pieces. It's doable, but it's very difficult and it's a major skill to acquire when dancing or when freestyling. In some songs you might be able to listen to it like the da 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 da, or the da 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 da, or the da 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 da. But it's not always the case. Sometimes we need to be creative. And sometimes we can use this skill, this trick of cutting the space in between the 1 and 2 to our advantage in order to demonstrate our skill rhythmically and dancily. Because like we said in the previous video, musicality is not just recognizing instruments and patterns. It goes further than that. It goes into our own interpretation of the sound, of the music, of what we're listening to. It goes into our own rhythmicality, our own addition or abstraction of stuff in the song to show that we're not just following what's already there, but we can artistically add a different universe in this song. There's much more to see about that, so subscribe and stay tuned for the next Musicality Core videos. So the next time you're gonna listen to a song, keep an ear out for the ends and find out how many you can add into that. So in between 1, 2, how many ends can you listen to? How many ends can you add? How many ends can your body put in before going to the 2? Just take, for example, simple exercise. Take a bounce, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a song on and find out how many ends you can add, like 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Okay. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Ah, you see? Even by sitting on a chair, you can train it. So there's no excuses in this, all right? Try this out, test it for yourself, train on it, and then let me know how it was for you. Stay ready for Musicality Core number 3, because the longer we do this series, the deeper we're gonna get in the musicality. Remember to leave a like, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, share with your friends and anyone that might find this interesting and helpful, and stay tuned for more videos. See you soon!